Welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable Chrome push notifications for Facebook on your PC using the latest update. If you've been missing important alerts like messages, comments, or friend requests, turning on browser notifications is the easiest way to stay updated in real time. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your PC using your Chrome browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the notifications icon. This is where all your recent activity appears. Next, click on the three dots icon. This will open a small menu with additional options. From there, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can control how and when Facebook sends you notifications. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Browser. This is the key area for managing Chrome push notifications. Under this section, you'll see the option to enable Chrome push notifications. Simply toggle it on. If Chrome asks for permission to allow notifications from Facebook, make sure you click Allow. Without this step, notifications won't show up on your desktop. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Chrome push notifications for Facebook on your PC. From now on, you'll instantly receive updates even when you're not actively browsing Facebook, making it easier to stay connected and never miss anything important. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and check out more tutorials for the latest app updates and features.